Hi, Gil from Testing Gil here. I've been telling you for a while why black box testing is a plague upon us. The premise sounds nice. If I don't know how the system is built, I won't have any bias testing it. It's pure, scientific, right? Wrong. In reality, ignorance makes us worse testers. Here's an example. If you know that the backend and the database run on separate machines, it makes sense to check what happens when there's a disconnect between them. You may want to mock the connection, speed it up, slow it down, pulls all kinds of levers to see what's going to happen. On the other hand, if you knew they both run on the same machine, you probably wouldn't even think about connectivity issues and why test them. But the trick is, you see, you have to know how the system is built. You still don't want to peek behind the curtains? Well, okay. I'll sweeten the deal for you. It will save you money. You're listening? Good. Okay, you have an API to test. An Inside Informer, a developer, told you that under the hood there's an AI feature. Okay, I know you don't discover things like that, but work with me. Now, you took the red pill. You understand reality. And the reality is that your automated tests aren't free anymore. When you run your tests, you spend tokens. And tokens are the company's money. So you can't run your tests whenever you want. How much are you spending? Okay, to spend less, you need to understand how the system is designed. How many calls it makes to the LLMs. How many tokens are passed. And if it retries the calls if they fail. Sometimes those retries go into recursive loops. I've seen it happening. It's glorious and very expensive. So, now that you know, you have to decide how you're going to spend these tokens. Run everything every night? On every push? Maybe some scenarios don't need to run at all. Now you can make smart economical decisions. And all you needed to do is look behind the curtain. In fact, you should really be doing this before implementing any tests, right? Only build tests that make sense to run. There's a name for that. Planning! On April 15th, I'm hosting a webinar called Modern API Testing Planning. And the topic of money will come up. You should plan to join me. Details below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share it, and watch other videos on this channel. Until next time, bye-bye.